Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on PC, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your PC and go to whatsapp.com/download. You can see here that WhatsApp is also available on Mac and Windows PC. So, according to your PC, tap Download. Once the download is complete, open the file. And that's how you download WhatsApp on PC. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.